just checking Pinterest for some ideas, and then I found these things. They use different makeup products, but I think it's really a nice idea, especially when they are products that give you good memory when you use them. For example, if you went to a place that you bought it. I have one that is not on this one, but I had one that was in Spain, I think in Barcelona and also in Fuengirola when I went there, and I like having them as memory that I went there and keeping them as well in this photo frame. It's the same that you can do with anything. It doesn't have to be makeup though, it can be with anything. Maybe there are some stickers or cards or magnets, anything that you like, and you have a beautiful photo frame that you can either hang on the wall or you can just place it on a table. It's really easy, and you have your own DIY project, and also personalized because there are things that are from you. These are the ones that I use, and I think they're either the same or similar. I get them every time, and these ones I made them either yesterday or the day before. I don't remember which day exactly, but this is like an example. The only thing is that I've been using this glue that I also got at Action, but I feel like it doesn't really stick really well, these things on the glass, although it says that it is multi-purpose glue, and it should be fine for glass as well, but yeah, it doesn't really stick. And this one as well, because those are powder, so the powder things I use them, like this one as well, I use them already, but I thought like cream blush and the lipsticks, I didn't use them because I don't know if it will get molded, and that will be a pity. That's why I just kept them there like that behind the glass without using it, and now I have like a collection. I already made a few of them. I think I have really some good collection with these things. For me, it's like too shame to toss away, you know, these certain packages that I really like. That's why I just glue them like that. This is the other one, and I just wonder if I should still put some stickers because quite colorful, I would say, which I really like. I love colors. I wear colors a lot. But I think if I would stick more stickers, maybe it will be too much.